Welcome to this week's NIB News Update.
In an historic moment for healthcare in the Bahamas, the National Prescription Drug Plan was launched on Monday at Lowe's Pharmacy Soldier Road by Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis.
Today we are here at Lowe's Pharmacy, which was the first pharmacy to sign on with the Prescription Drug Plan to launch this new initiative, a partnership between public and private sector, so that individuals, rather than receiving their medication or waiting in line at the Princess Margaret Hospital or even some of our public clinics, can attend or visit the private sector and receive medication at the private pharmacy, a pharmacy near to them, and any participating pharmacy. I think this is excellent in that we would no longer see the waiting lines that we see. And I am here today to launch it and thank especially the staff of National Insurance, who have done an excellent job in putting this program together, and the staff of the Ministry of Health, and with public support. So on behalf of the government of the Bahamas, I want to officially launch this National Prescription Drug Program so that individuals can now receive their medication at all the participating pharmacies.
The first beneficiary to receive medicine under the drug plan was 12-year-old Jonathan Wilson, who suffers from asthma along with his 7-year-old sister Raven. The children's mother, Raquel Wilson, expressed joy at the launch of the plan.
It feels great to know that finally we have a plan in place, whereas we can help one another. Mostly I can help my kids. And knowing that spending money weekly for 2 kids, buying one medication just to share between 2, it's great to be able to buy 2 at one time to make sure that they have enough to last.
I know that Jonathan and Raven suffer from asthma. How much does it cost you a month to buy their medications?
A month it usually costs me $500 to $550 just to keep their medication in stock, especially in the rainy season.
So what do you want to say today as you get this receipt in hand and walk away with your medication?
I want to say thank God we finally have a relief.
Jonathan added,
So now I'm happy that they started this new drug program, and it feels good.
William Cash, Chief Financial Officer of Lowe's Pharmacy, the very first pharmacy to sign on to the plan, said he was delighted to see the plan become a reality.
Well, it's finally here. We've been watching this in the making since we signed up in April. There were some tense moments, and there was some thought that maybe we wouldn't be ready, but here we are. Everything is ready to go tonight. We're welcoming it, and a job well done to the NIB team on the National Health Plan.
Pharmacy owners rep Laura Pratt Charlton and Sister Mary Benedict, first ACE prescription card recipient, also shared their thoughts.
Actually, I'd like to use or borrow the words of the first customer to say thank God, but I think it's long overdue. We're all ready for it from the private sector as well as the public sector. We have lots of inquiries as to when it's going to start. We even have persons wanting to leave their cards, but I think it's going to be a great relief to patients, because now they don't have to spend as much money, so it makes it more affordable for them. And then from a pharmacist standpoint, you will see that they are now more compliant, not trying to cut up medications here and save here and there. They can now get all of their medications one time, and it's now more affordable because it's free.
You know, really, I am so happy that our people are able to now check into a new system where they can get free medication, and especially in these hard times now, I am so happy for them. I'm happy for myself as well, because I can also check into that, and get medication.
Now that Phase 1 is up and running, Algernon Cargill, Director of the National Insurance Board, said planning will begin for Phase 2 of the drug plan.
We're very excited to be finally able to launch the National Prescription Drug Plan, primarily because we can now bring prescription medication to thousands of Bahamians and provide them with the tools in order to manage their chronic ailments. And now that we're launching the Prescription Drug Plan, we're excited because apart from bringing the support that they need, we'll be able to plan for Phase 2. And Phase 2, we don't know when it starts, but it's going to be even bigger than Phase 1.
ACE prescription card holders can now access formulary prescription drugs at 30 participating private pharmacies and 61 public pharmacies throughout the Bahamas. For more information on participating pharmacies, visit nibdrugplan.com or call 356-2070.